Good morning, afternoon, everyone. It is 12:32 on Saturday. And we're gonna run around and probably get a coffee and go to Walmart. I need some size, a ton. I have a bunch of chicken scratches on this list. What I did is I wrote down all of my sizes, and then I checked off the ones I have. And so I actually need 5 size 6 shirts. I have 5 orders that require a size 6 shirt. And then I wrote down like some other little things I wanted to pick up. I'm going to I'm going to try to start making more homemade stuff. Like, I don't know, I just want to make more homemade stuff. I have a lot of staple items already that I would need. Like this morning I got up early. Well, it wasn't really early, it was like 8, and made homemade biscuits. But I wanted to make buttermilk biscuits, but we didn't have buttermilk, so I want to, what is that? Broke?
Last time it got cold, it broke the...
Oh, the hose nozzle broke. But I want to get some like powdered buttermilk so I can make buttermilk biscuits. And yeah, I also want to find a thing to put Sterling cereal in. I found one perfect last night at Walmart, but they didn't have it. Well, they had one, but it was broken. The top was broken on it, and that was the only one they had. It was a 2-pack of like the cereal containers that you put your cereal in, because she likes to pick and choose her cereal piece by piece and put it in milk.
Wait, how would that be easy? Then
Well, you wouldn't leave it in a bag.
Yeah.
Where it gets all soggy.
You can just close the lid on it and put it back.
Look at how you left your cereal.
I don't think it'd be as easy.
It's in a clear container.
Yeah, how do
Well, yeah,
I stick my
essentially all
whole
she's going to do is take that.
Hey guys, we're at, what is this place?
I don't know what it's called.
A store.
Like the Amazon return store.
An Amazon return store. And Mom bought something amazing.
Hey guys, so we're at this store. It's like, we've been here before, where they have a bunch of returns for like eBay and Amazon and stuff like that. And I bought a small water bath canner. I'm trying to see if it tells me what. It just says a canner kit, 9-piece. So one of the main reasons I wanted this is for this right here. This was 25% off. It was $16, but it was 25% off. They have tags, and if your item has that color tag, you get an additional whatever % off. So this came out to $12 and something.
Wait, can I hold the camera for you?
Hold on.
I want to.
It was $12.81. And then if I didn't like it, whatever, I can return it within 7 days. But I got one of these, which is
Wait, can I film it for you?
no, hold on. A wrench for your jars. And one of these to get your jars out. I already have one of those. One of these to pick your lids up. I don't have one of those, and now I'm so happy. And a funnel. I've been wanting one. And then it's got a debubbler. So, but this is like the main reason I wanted it, was this box of things, because I've looked at these things individually at like Walmart. I'm not looking for anything fancy or expensive, or because I hopefully before summer, I will get a pressure canner. So I've been watching a lot of videos like on pressure canning, like water bath canning. I know how to do all that. So this is just a water bath canner. It just comes with a thing, a little thing on the bottom. It came with a colander, which I really like this. Like, I will use this, but not for canning, but I'll probably just use it in general. And then it has a lid. So like this thing is kind of beat up right here. I'll show you. Which really don't make a difference to me. Right here. Which it's fine if I use it for canning. But mainly I want this. I usually just use, I just have a big stainless steel pot that I've always used for canning, but we'll see how this one goes. Maybe I like this. But yeah, for 12 bucks. I think it was, I don't even know where it's at. It tells you. Here it is. So on Amazon it's $38.99. I got it for 12 bucks. What a deal, right? And we went to Dunkin' Donuts and we got a coffee. I need to stick this in the back now that I've gone through it. But it's cold outside. Mystery's sleeping. Go Squishy! Dad!
He's too tall for that car.
Oh my gosh. Please.
Oh, what are we doing?
Go Squishy!
Okay. Wish me good luck.
Good luck.
Is there any squishies in here? No. Okay, we're done. I hope they have them.
Yeah, they're a little late on the game.
We found the squishy Motherload.
Where?
Oh my gosh, that pizza is so soft.
Oh, hear that?
It is so slow rising. Feel the burger.
Oh my. These are
That squishy burger. Oh yeah, the pizza is doughy and cheesy.
Oh my gosh, it is so slow rising. We so need to go birthday shopping when she's not with us. Because I would so buy this for her. I'd probably buy her like 10 of these.
I'm sorry, sir.
Look at the cloud. It's actually snowing. You probably can't see the snow, but it's snowing.
It rang up 50 bucks.
Really?
$4 cheaper.
Yeah, we just bought this stroller. This $140 stroller for $50. What are you doing? What are you doing? I just had to show her cute little outfit.
I'm gonna write Happy Valentine's Day on the door.
So cute. This is what Marlette got her.
I wouldn't do it right now.
And she can finally fit into it. Say, thank you, Marlette. Can you say thank you?
These just smell so good.
Say thank you. I gotta change her diaper. We just got home.
Hey guys, and trying the pickle.
Try one pickle.
Mmm. It's good. I already took a few bites. The pickles we made.
Hey guys, it is midnight and we're all still awake. We ended up watching a movie, and after we got home, I just got this wild hair in me and I switched our cabinets. This is bigger than where we did have the food, which now over here is just like dishes, and then like freezer bags and Reynolds wrap and that stuff is there, and this is just miscellaneous dishes, and then there's just miscellaneous junk up there, and that was all over there. And really that stuff don't take up a lot of room, so I moved it here because this cabinet is smaller than over here. And I'm still, I mean, it's still a big old mess on the counter. I'm still trying to get things put away, but we don't have a lot of room in this house, period. This house was designed for a single man. My husband lived here before I met him, so and when I moved in and everything, this is just where he had the food, and over there's where he had the dishes, and down there's where he had the pots and pans. But it is so hard to get over there to where the pots and pans were, so I moved those over there, so now they're easy accessible. And we started using the dishwasher. We weren't using it before, but now we use it. And like these cabinets, they are just like ruined over years of kids, and yeah, so this is all like water damage from the boys doing dishes. And maybe someday I will get to remodel this whole kitchen the way I would like it. And we can have more cabinets. I mean, really, this is all we have for a pantry. This is it for a family of 6. So, anyway, it's late. The baby's crying. I need to go to bed. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.